Wife bought a bookshelf off Marketplace, and it was only like 20 or 40 bucks or something like that. And the ad said it was raw, so she goes, "Oh, good, you can stain that." She thought raw also meant rough, but it's not. It's just that it hasn't been finished. So I thought, that's cool, I can just finish it. But in getting it, the people who we got it from had been using it a lot, and so there's a lot of actual staining on the timber from where they put cups down, or there was stuff that was on there and it's gotten wet, and some staining down low and that sort of thing. So I've got to give it a good sand before I give it a stain. So in order to make sure I can sand it really well, I'm going to actually pull this apart so that I don't have to worry about trying to get into the corners and that sort of thing. And on inspecting it, like, it's just a store-built shelf from one of those cheap pine stores, and you can see it's just been nail gun stapled together. When I look at the back of them, it's actually tiny little narrow staples. There's doesn't appear to be any glue in it at all, so it should come apart really easy. I can get everything a really good sanding, and it only needs to be a light sanding in terms of the coarseness of the paper. But I just want to get all the staining off from water. You can see this sort of stuff here, where it's obviously had something on there, and dirt and dust and all that sort of thing. So I'm going to pull it apart, sand it, put it back together, and give it a good finish. That's this weekend's job. And we got nice weather. Last weekend I was supposed to do it and it rained, so hopefully we'll get it done today. That was a bit of a trial, and staples are not very forgiving, especially for pine, so I've got a lot of these splits. So what I'm going to do is, instead of using what was the front of the back, I'm going to turn it around and just sand this, stain that side, and they'll just be wider panels rather than these sort. It'll just be a large panel, and that'll work. Look, it seems they did use glue on the top piece anyway, and they have used glue on these, so that might be a little bit awkward to get off, but